Here I am in a lovely environment and it feels so peaceful here. And I wanted to tell you guys that I have found some solutions for a technical problem. Maybe you're facing it right now. So check the video, and if it helps you, if it really helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me a lot. Bye! For watching the video. Did the solution help you? If it did, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you again. See you later. Bye. Bye.